The Inspire 2 from Fitbit is a handy companion for tracking your fitness levels and helping you stay active. In this video, I explain how to pair your Inspire 2 with your smartphone, how to use it, what menus you will find there, and how to configure your device in the app. I also show you my favorite feature in the Inspire 2. Hello, I'm Thomas, your auto tech instructor. In my channel, I explain how to use apps and devices related to outdoor and fitness. And these are the chapters of the Fitbit Inspire 2. Pairing, how to control, menu, setup in the app. Let's go! Charge your Inspire 2, install the Fitbit app and log in. For instructions on how to set up the Fitbit app, watch the video above right or follow the link in the video description. In your app, go to your account in the top left corner and click Setup a Device. Select your Inspire 2 and tap Setup. To continue, accept the privacy policy and then click Next. Hold the device near the smartphone. When your Inspire 2 is found, a code will appear on the display. Enter it into the app. The Inspire 2 and your smartphone will now be paired. Tap Pair and then skip the tips. Finally, tap Finish. You can now use your Inspire 2. The Inspire 2 is controlled via touch and swipe on the display, as well as the sensors on the left and right side of the exterior. Swipe up or down to scroll through the main menu. To go deeper into a menu, touch once. To return to the home screen, touch the two sensors on the side of the display with your thumb and index finger. Also jump from a sub-menu to the main menu items by this. If the start screen is displayed, you can also switch off the display using the sensors. Press and hold them to activate the water lock. The display can then no longer be operated. Press and hold both side sensors again to release the lock. In water, the display lock is usually activated automatically. Synchronize the device and app by swiping down once on the app start screen. Have you already had experience with wearables such as fitness bands and watches? Which was or is your favorite device? Leave your comment below the video. I'm already very curious. The start screen of your Inspire 2 depends on the watch face installed, so it is difficult to describe. Swipe up once to see the battery level, time and date. Swipe up in further steps to scroll through your collected data. Swipe down to read messages. Swipe down again to go to training. I'll show you how to train with the Inspire 2 in one of my next videos. Keep swiping down to start a relaxation. This is followed by the clock functions, stopwatch and countdown. Then comes the alarm clock menu. You can set alarm times via the app. If you have set alarm times, you can deactivate and activate them in the alarm clock menu by tapping on them. Swipe down to tile. With tile you can find your device again. To do this, you need to install the tile app. In the last menu item you will find settings for your Inspire 2. There you can dim the screen to save battery power, switch the smartphone GPS on or off, switch the heart rate measurement on and off, deactivate all messages on the device by selecting Do Not Disturb. Turn sleep mode on and off and set a sleep schedule during which the band will no longer disturb you. The display and vibrations remain off during this time. Turn notifications and double taps on and off. Activate the key lock, erase the user data from the band, basically do a factory reset, restart the device and read the device data. I have lots of instructions on the topic of outdoor navigation and fitness. Have you already subscribed to support my channel? Activate the bell right now and you will be informed immediately when there's something new. In the app, go to your account at the top left and select your Inspire 2. In the gallery, you will find your Activate Watch face, which you can change here. You will also find information about the installed apps. Create and configure alarms, turn on and off notifications. And now my favorite feature of the Inspire 2 is the motion reminders. The Inspire 2 reminds me every hour if I haven't reached my step goal of 250 steps. This info is less abstract to me than the message "you're sitting too long," etc. The hours and the days can be set in which the device reminds me to reach this goal. This helps me on a daily basis to keep moving and to manage my amount of movement in an easy way. You can set a main goal for the Inspire 2 that you want to achieve. Your Inspire 2 will then celebrate you accordingly when you reach it. In the shortcut for training, you set the selectable sport for the device. More on this in a later video on training with the Inspire 2. All Fitbit app tutorials can be found in the playlist on the top left. If you are also interested in the navigation app Komoot, then take a look at the playlist on the bottom left. And now send me your comments and a rating. I'm Thomas. See you in the next video.